Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to Danny's Detours. We talk about anything and everything life related. Consciousness, physical calmness. Right, we're going this way, come on. Back to the tunnel, guys. I'm out and about again. Paddy and Willow. They're on the leads today because you already know, keep bloody grabbing stuff off ground, don't they? So I've got them on leads. But yeah, anyway, how's everyone doing? We're just doing a little bit of a walk and talk today, walking around local park, you know what I mean? But I don't know if anyone's been feeling the energy over the last few days, but it's really been kicking my ass. I don't know, like obviously I'm getting over this cold and that now, feeling a lot better, as you can probably see on my face. Look, nice and fresh. But yeah, it's, come on you, like we're approaching a supermoon in the next couple of days, I think it is, and I think it's the next 2 days, don't quote me on that, might be on the, are you having a wee? Come on then, good girl. Yeah, supermoon in the next couple of days, and I think what happens when we do approach a supermoon, basically it's like it comes like really close to Earth. So basically it's, you know, and this is when the energy and people's emotions are always heightened, and you always say your intuition, because that's what our intuition is tied to, guys. Our intuition is tied to like our higher selves, because if you look at the 7 chakras in the body, the crown chakra is represented by what? The moon, which is not even actually in our body. It's floating above our body, which is like acting as a crown. So yeah, and I've just been noticing just put down in the comments if anyone's been feeling like just extra emotional, or just more anything that's tied to your emotion. It could be happy, sad, angry, whatever you know, whatever you see that to be. Put it down in the comments, because it's really been kicking my ass. And as I'm approaching more towards it, I'm feeling it more and more, and you'll feel it more as well, guys, in your body, and it'll be your body before your mind actually catches up. But yeah, we're just on a little bit of a wander with Paddy and Willow today. But yeah, just a chill one today, really. Just a chilled one. And I'm noticing, I'm noticing that we're getting a good bit of rain as well. We've had a good bit of rain these last few days. There we go, look at that, guys, down there. The stream. It's a nice park, this. It's just local to near where I live. For you people who watch my videos, and I know you probably see me a lot on this park walking around, but you know, just a bit of a quiet, chill one today. I hope everyone's doing fantastic anyway. I did a video as well, talking about how I nearly died in Ibiza, and that did really well. You know, obviously, you know, I can understand why it went, I don't want to say it went viral, but for my channel and how small my channel is, it did a lot better than what a lot of my other videos did, if that makes sense. So yeah, quite happy about that. But I only understand that because people like drama. Not that it's drama, because it was a true story. You know, it's not like I made it up, because obviously everything that I talk about on this channel is from the heart. You know, it's there to be used as a lesson, as wisdom, in order to let people just know, you know, just like my past, present and aspirations moving forward. You know, it's It's always there as a guide, just to let people know, because I've been, you know, I've been down in the dumps, pits of hell, whatever you want to call it. We all have, guys. But I'm just, you know, because obviously I used to drink, drugs, all that, gambling. It was gambling that really did it for me. That was one of my biggest ones to overcome. But I feel as though, like, the universe put all these things into my path for a certain reason. Because, you know, I had to go to them dark places in order to rise up. In order to be able to tell these stories and just let people know and empower people that, you know, you are not your external circumstances. You know, all this pain that you might be going through in your life at this moment, it's only temporary, guys. It's there for a lesson. So just sit in it and learn from it, as did I. You know, and you've always got that choice and that decision to make upon yourself to say, that is not who I am. And it took me a while to realise this. It made me think, you know, I am not the alcohol that I drink. I am not the drugs that I take. For that is merely just a lesson. But, you know, I've spoke about this before in the past. You two are on the leads today. You know why you're on the leads. Because Willow, I don't know if you watched the video the other day. Yeah, she were out and she must have ate something. I think she went into this back bushy and she started scranning something, and then it didn't make she had a bit of a dicky tummy and she were up all night being sick. So yeah, but yeah, it's just a nice chilled out relaxing one. And don't forget to tune in to Tuesday Tarot tomorrow with me, Danny Detours, where I'll be doing I'm doing it every Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday Tarot, Thursday Tarot. That's going to be a regular thing now, so make sure you tune in, because I've been brushing up on my tarot skills. I've actually been sitting down every night doing readings for my wife, Mrs. Detours, and the kids. So, you know, just a bit of practice, just learning what the cards mean, feeling into it, stuff like that. And I'm really enjoying it as well. But I don't want to make this channel solely about... I just want this channel to be more like a journey. Just watching my journey from where it began to where it ends up. And listen, I don't know where it's going to end up. I know it's going to be successful because this is what I do. This is what I'm doing now. I'm just recording. And listen, I don't pre-plan anything. I just come out and I just talk. Or, you know, obviously with my tarot, I just feel it. You know, I'm not like, oh, right, you know, because at the end of the day, the cards jump out. Like, come here. Come out on this. It's angling me up, these two. Come on this side now, will you? Come on. Here's little Paddy. Excuse me, guys. They're at it already, barking. But yeah, this is what I wanted to make this channel about. Just authenticity. And just giving people the knowing and the empowerment, just to let them know that, you know, just being yourself. What are you two barking at, yeah, so it's just a bit of a random one today, really, guys. Just a bit of a random one. I do apologise for Willow barking in the background. Excuse me, can you stop barking? Here she is, little Willow. She's only little for a Cocker Spaniel. She was one of the smallest ones in her litter, actually. Where you girl, eh? You're having a bit of a sulk, aren't you? Because I'm not letting you off the lead. And here's little Paddy. There they are. But yeah, I think we're going to leave it at that, guys. I just wanted to do a quick Monday walk and talk video. Just check in with you guys, make sure everyone's doing all right. Got a couple more new subscribers, which is absolutely fantastic. We're on 241 now. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you do click on the subscribe button. It's free and it helps my channel grow. But for me, Danny Detours, Paddy and Willow, I hope you have a fantastic day. Love you loads. Peace.